Hi, Chief Persida Acosta. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Naku, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay niyo sa akin, kay Ice, sa papa ko. Um, you know, since nagkakilala po tayo, you have been such an amazing friend and taong masasandalan at matatakbuhan pag meron po kaming mga concerns. Um, you always also make sure na nararamdaman namin yung support mo. Nag-fly ka pa all the way to Davao just to be able to watch Ice's concert. And you brought your entire um, team during my papa's wake. Um, Ibang klase ka po maging kaibigan. At nagpapasalamat po ako and I consider myself as one of the most luckiest na, no? Most na luckiest pa. I'm considering myself as one of the luckiest people kasi we have this kind of relationship. So, pagpatuloy niyo lang po ang pagtatanggol sa ating bayan, ang pagtulong po sa sambayan ng Pilipino, at huwag kayong matitinag. Nandito lang po kami ni Ice pag kailangan niyo po ng support. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy this. Have a good one. And we love you.